Good evening. I just came outside because we're having real hard wind. The gust is real high. I don't know from where it's coming from. Somewhere from the south. I've never seen it this high. This is the hoverboard. It's jumping up and down. That's a hoverboard. That's a Chinese. The hoverboard always wins the Chinese one. This is the hoverboard one. That's a Chinese turbine. This one here. The hoverboard makes some good power. To be out of a hoverboard that I found on the side of the road. And then that's my lovely Hurricane Vector. That thing always makes a lot of power. Right now the gust went away. You can see the LEDs on the shed, how they blink. The phone catches it. My eyes don't. I don't know why they blink like that. But yeah, there it goes. 1.2, 1. That's my voltage right there. Look, always high. Look, there's a Hurricane Vector again. 20 amp. That thing is going crazy, clicking on and off, on and off. Too much voltage. And it says it's supposed to be all night. The wind's supposed to be like that all night. There's a hoverboard again. Look, and I don't have no MPPT charger. No MPP. No MPPT chargers. It's just bridge rectifiers. One for each one. There's your shunts. There's a unloader resistors. Dump load resistors. And this thing, it's been clicking on and off. Look, cold to the touch. This is a badass relay. There's a Hurricane Vector. Always pulling power. Well, have a good night. I gotta go to sleep because I gotta work tomorrow. Everything here is up to date. And this is the another meter I got. Keep track of everything. That's the meter for the solar. I reset them the beginning of the month. I think. Yeah, I think it was. And this is the other one. There's the windmills. Well, have a good night.